How to use Outlook rules. If you want to manage all of the emails that you get inside of Outlook, and if you want to manage them automatically, what happens to them, you can add simple rules so that you do not have to do it manually. So to create rules inside of Outlook, you'll need to click on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right, and then head over to the option which says rules. If you have created rules previously, you'll be able to see them right here. But if you're starting out fresh, you can click on the add new rule option on the top right. Now there are multiple rules that you can create. I'm just going to show you an example. For example, if you want to move any sort of work mails that come from a certain email, you can add in a rule for it. First thing you'll need to do is name this rule. You can name it whatever you like and then add in a condition. So if the rule comes from a certain email, you need to add in the email address. If any emails come from this email, what I like to do is add in an action, which is move. I want to move all of the emails coming from this email address to work. So once these rules have been set, you can click on the save option right here. You can also click on run rule now, which means all of the emails that you previously received will also be automatically moved. So you can just click on save, and all of these mails coming from this particular email will be automatically moved. If you want, you can also toggle this on and off whenever you like, and also edit it if some changes are need to be made. Similarly, there are multiple conditions or rules that you can add in. You can just take a look at all of these options and all of the things that you can try out to create specific rules that suit you the best. So that was just an example of the way that you use rules inside of Outlook. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.